Good morning, students. In last lecture, we have solved these question and answers. Now we will continue with the next question. Find out from your grandparents what kinds of bridges were there when they were young. Means nowadays we are seeing that so many new bridges built, but at that time, in your grandparents' time, when they were young, what kind of bridges were there? You can ask your grandparents. Now, answer here will be at that time there were only bamboo and wooden bridges. Now, here also answer may vary depending upon the answer of your grandparent. Next question. Is there any bridge near your house? Find out more about the bridge. Now, whatever bridge you have observed near your house, you can explain about it in your own words. I had written here my answer. Yes, near my house there is cement bridge which is very long and wide also. Understood? And we use it to cross the railway line. Now next here, where is the bridge? Over water? Over a road? Or between two mountains or somewhere else? Now this question is related to this picture. Where is this bridge? Related to this picture, that question was, this bridge is over the river. This is river and over the river. Understood? So, it is over water or river. Next, who all use the bridge? Is it used by people on foot or and also by vehicles and animals? Means it is like that only people on foot can pass the bridge, and it is not like that vehicles are not going from there. No. So answer of it is used by all. Next one, does the bridge seems to be old or is it new? It looks like the old one. Means you can observe this bridge. After seeing this bridge, anyone can understand this bridge is old one. This bridge is old one. So answer is it looks like the old one. Next question. Find out what materials are used in making this bridge. List some of them. Now generally these kinds of concrete bridges use the material cement, iron rod, sand, brick, small stones. Understood? Now next question. Draw a picture of the bridge in your notebook. Do not forget to draw the train, vehicles, animals or people who cross the bridge. You would like to draw the picture. Take a help of this bridge shown here, or from internet, from Google also you can take help of different kinds of bridge images. So I had written here as homework. Draw yourself, and you can use crayon colors also to color the bridge, and afterwards show me. Okay. Next question. Imagine what difficulties there would be if the bridge was not there. Now what is the bridge? Bridge is a connection between two points and it helps us to cross from one place to another place where there are barriers or obstacles and road is uneven. So what answer we can write here? People will not be able to cross rivers Hmm? People will not be able to cross rivers or drains easily. They will have to use boats. They will have to use boats over the river. If bridge is not there, then how we are going to pass the river? So at that time they will have to use the boats. Also, more time needs to cross the water body. Understood? Now, let us find out some other ways by which children get to school. Now children, this was the one way, means crossing the bridge to go to the school, which was shown here. Now so many ways are there to cross the water bodies that we will see in our next lecture. Till now all these question and answers complete in neat and good handwriting, as well as draw a picture of the bridge in your notebook. Do you have understood today's work? And those who has not completed these question answers which I taught in previous lecture, that also you have to complete. Okay? Bye.